Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel where we teach you how to grow your brand with search traffic. This video, I'm going to show you something really interesting. It's one of a mini campaign that we actually did for one of a dental client. Well, not a client per se, but a client that we want to work with. And I just want to show you the results of this mini campaign. So let me move myself out of the way. And I just want to let you guys know the sort of like the impact of how SEO can do for your business. And this is what happened, right? So we reached out to them and we spoke to them, and then basically we let them know that they are having some issues with their page. Okay, and then initially at the start, they didn't have a budget because right now, during this pandemic, a lot of businesses are strapped for cash. So what we did was we went ahead and we'll sort of do SEO for them anyway, but in a sense that we are not going into their website to do it for them, but we just pick a particular page. So what we did was we picked a particular page. So for example, we picked one page, okay? And then we went through keyword research. Okay, we went through keyword research. And what we did was we picked up one page that is ranking in the ranking from 11 to the 20th position. Okay, so once we identified this, right? Okay, once we identified this, okay, what we did was we picked one page, choose one keyword, and then we sort of divided into different weeks. So imagine this is week 1, week 2, week 3, and then week 4. Okay, and then what we did was every single week, we just send over recommendations on what to edit, what to change every single week. And they have to do the implementations themselves. We don't do the implementations because they're not paying us for it, but we kind of just want to give some value upfront and let them know that this stuff actually works and we know what to do to, drive organic traffic to them. So in this case, what we did was during the first week, we send them like, hey, your page title. Okay, page title. Okay, so edit your page title. Okay, and then week 2, we send them, edit your meta description. Okay, and then page 3, and then week 3, what we did was we give them another thing to work on, and then week 4, we give them another thing to work on. Okay, and then in the last week, right? So usually week 4, okay, you can either give we either give them one more thing to work on, or we let them know the results of their campaign. And what this does is it gives them, firstly, proof of concept that it works. Okay, secondly, it's they see that it works because they are doing it themselves, even though the recommendations are by us. And I just want to kind of show you the results. So initially this, we reached out to them 3 weeks ago, right? So right now it's Friday. So 1, 2, 3, right? So we reached out to them. We started this mini campaign for them, okay, on the 22nd, right? This is May. So now if we take a look at their May traffic, okay, let's see, to be exact. So let me check when is my first email to them. Ocean. Look at the video we made. Yeah, so this is my first email to them, and I recommended a change straight away, right? So this is the first change that happened, and this happened in 12th, okay, 12th of May. So we reached out to them 12th of May. Right now it's 12th of June, so exactly 1 month. So let's see the results. Okay, so during 12th of May, their traffic is 48 to 50. Okay, what happens is after we gave them the implementations, after we helped them with the mini campaign that we did for them, their traffic went from 50, I would say on average, okay, to 86, okay, and it's still climbing. Okay, so that is a additional, I don't know how many percent, okay, but this stuff works. And guess what? This is only one of the things that we did out of the many things that we can do, okay? For one of their service, they have multiple different services, but we only did this implementation for one of the service, for one of the page, for on page only. And that's out of the many things that we can do. Okay, and this is what happens when you have SEO done for your website. Essentially, look, if you know how to do SEO on your own, you're gonna learn how to drive organic traffic to your own website for free. Okay, that's a skill set that is very important to have, because what's a website good for if it's not driving any sort of organic traffic or any sort of traffic in a sense that will get you leads or sales. Okay, and look, right? And if you look at the past, I don't know, all time, right? They have been in business for I don't know how many years. Okay, it seems like it's 2018, right? From 2018 all the way until now. Okay, look at the amount of growth in the traffic. Okay, and then I want you to look at what's here. The moment when we contacted them, okay, it started to went up to 80. And this doesn't happen because of chance. Okay, of course there's a spike here, which is very weird. Okay, there must be something weird going on here. You know, either they are getting indexed for no reason or they get some sort of attacks or something like that, but I don't know. Okay, but this is unusual. What is happening right now? Look, I've basically increased their traffic 2 times, right? Almost 2 times. And their traffic has been stagnant for the past almost 2 years. So imagine what this can do. And this is, again, this is not just, this is not going to stop, because what it's going to do is usually it will take a bit of time to climb up in terms of rankings, okay? So now I will kind of teach you what we actually did for this client, okay? So like I mentioned to you, this is the concept that we use, okay, to let them know. And then we edit the page title, meta description and stuff like that. And we literally tell them exactly what you need to change to. What is your page title now? What you need to change to? And then they did the implementations. And this is why they went up. For this particular page, which is a service page, for that particular keyword, they went up in rankings from not ranking in the first page of Google. Right now, they are ranking on the 6th or the 7th position. Okay. And again, this is just within 3 weeks. Okay. Within 3 weeks of work. So I'm going to show you what we did. So what we did was we identified one of the keywords, and this keyword is scaling and polishing. The reason why I picked this keyword is because it might have a chance to become a lead based on the CPC, cost per click. If you do not know what CPC is, CPC stands for cost per click, which means every single time, okay, I'm talking a bit too fast. Okay, let me slow down a bit. Which means every single time when a person wants to run Google AdWords, okay, if you're buying keywords on Google AdWords, okay, this is the amount that they will need to pay for this specific keyword. So in a sense, it kind of shows us the commercial value, because when the more people bid on that particular keyword, there's a reason why. And one of the reasons is because of demand, right? And the reason why there's such a high demand is because of the results people get when they bid on this keyword. So most people that bid on this keyword, okay, the higher the CPC, it means to say the higher the chance of them converting into a lead or a sale. And that's why more people bid on it, right? As compared to, look, their brand, this is their brand, right? Where there's no CPC, which means nobody is bidding for this, because, you know, if you are running another dental clinic, right, there's no reason for you to bid on another brand, okay, which you can, which is another strategy that you might work on, but there's no CPC value because nobody is going to buy Ocean Dental and put your ad on top of Ocean Dental, which you can and which you should if you have the budget, right? Because you want to get this, how to say, the brand searches. You want to have your brand appearing before other brands. So that's one of the way, right? But if you look at scaling and polishing, it has a $2.50. So that's why we went for it. Okay, let's take a look at the results. Okay, look. So April, right? When we reached out to them, they were on the 13th position. They were not on the top 10 and they were not getting any traffic. Okay, and when we, after the optimization, right now, they are still climbing. They are not on the 7th position, right? So if I were to do a check, right, for scaling and polishing. Okay, so this is the featured snippet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, right now they are on the 6th position. Okay, they are on the 6th, counting right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right now on the 6th, they are on the 6th position. Okay, it's going to get them a lot more traffic. So what's happening is just by a simple tweak, right? And we change some of the stuff. We change their URL structure. So if you can see, this is their old URL structure. And URL structure, it's this long, bunch of words that you type into your URL, which is here. Okay, so we ask them to change their URL structure. Okay, so instead of this, we ask them to optimize their URL structure. We ask them to change their page title. We ask them to change their meta description. Okay, and that's all we did. I think that's all we did. Oh yeah, I also asked them to remove one of their header one's tag because their header one tag, something was wrong with their header one tags. So this is what you do not want to see because this is a header one tag. But right now, because of the design issues, they are putting scaling and polishing for all the header tags. Okay, look, so about us. Okay, this is a design issue. They need to go in and fix this. Okay, because what's happening right now is this header one text is dented. Yeah, so it's repeated header one text throughout their site. Okay, and again, we can do so much for a company. I mean, we can literally turn their company around in terms of getting them organic traffic. But this is just going to be a case study for us, and this shows you that look, they are getting how much traffic they were getting, right? And this is what I want to build it up to. I want to build it into a case study so people know the importance of SEO. Okay, and I'm pretty sure they are going to get scaling and polishing clients coming in, right? Because they are ranking for scaling and polishing, and which means people searching for scaling and polishing is going to land on their page, and essentially they're going to call them, right? So this is what essentially what I'm saying essentially too much. Okay, so let's take a look. So they are, getting around 30 plus. So let's just say 30, right? Okay, again, my math is not good. So how much increase is that? So I believe that's how we count, right? Times 100. 34%? Nah, I don't think that's, wait, how do I count this? Okay, 86 divided by 30 times 100. Is that 286%? Okay, from 30 plus 286%. Nope. So 30 plus 120%. Nope. So it's more than that. Okay, my math is not good, guys, so bear with me. So I think it's around 150%, right? Yeah, so from 30, if we increase by another 150%, 75. Wait, what? 160%? $30 plus 160%. Yeah, so around 160 to 170%, right? So I would say 170%. Yeah, so let's just go with 175. 175%. 75. Yeah, still a bit more. What about 178? 180 then. 30 plus 86 plus 180%. Okay, so I would say around 185%. And the reason why I'm doing this is because you want to be as specific as possible. Okay, the more specific you are, the more people are going to pay attention to your statistics that you're showing them. So I would say it's around 188%. Let's just say 188%. Yeah. So we increase. So this is what I want to tell them, right? 188% increase in organic traffic. Okay, 188% increase in organic traffic just by optimizing that one site. Okay, and you can see over here. Look, it's this hockey stick doesn't like. There's a reason why it's going up. Okay, so can you imagine if your site has this done for your pages and you know how to do this, you're gonna get a lot more brand visibility. You know, so that is essentially what we do. And yeah, I just want to make this video for you guys to kind of let you know that this is, if you are a business owner or if you own a website, you know, learn how to do SEO on your own, right? If you right now have a lot of time on your hand, learn some SEO. There's a bunch of courses out there that you can learn. And if you don't, then, you know, look for somebody that knows how to do. But understand the importance of driving traffic to your website, because your website is not going to be, you need your website to be working for you instead of, you know, just sitting there doing nothing. Okay. So that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, just, you know, hit the thumbs up button for the for YouTube's algorithm to pick everything up, show it to more people and help more people. And if you like future videos like this, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section down below. What do you think of this video? What do you think? Is SEO important? Is SEO not important? Blah, blah, blah. Let me know. Okay, so that is all. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.